In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Google and Webflow. We'll walk through how to find Webflow using Google, open your project, access the Assets panel, and upload a PDF so it's ready to use across your site. Start by opening your preferred web browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type Webflow and look for the official Webflow result. You'll recognize it by the webflow.com domain. Click through to the site. Using Google here is simple and reliable, and it helps if you don't have the exact URL saved. If you're not already signed in, make sure you're logged into your Webflow account so you can reach your workspace. Once you're in Webflow, go to your dashboard and locate the project you want to work on. Find the option that lets you view the site and enter the project. This is your direct path into the project's environment. Choosing the correct project at this stage is important because your assets live inside each individual project, not globally. If you manage multiple sites, double-check the project thumbnail and name before continuing. After you've opened the project, switch to the designer if you're not already there. Look to the left-hand toolbar to find the Assets panel. It's typically represented by an icon that looks like a photo or stack of media. Click on Assets to open the panel. The Assets panel is your central library for images, documents, and other files used on your site. Keeping this panel organized with clear file names will save you time later when you're linking files or updating content. With the Assets panel open, click the Upload button to add your PDF. Select your PDF from your computer. As a quick tip, make sure your PDF has a clear, descriptive file name before you upload it, something like productspecs2026.pdf instead of a generic name. This improves searchability and keeps your asset library tidy. Also check the file size. Smaller, optimized PDFs load faster and provide a better experience for your visitors. Once the upload finishes, your PDF will appear in the Assets list, ready to be referenced anywhere in your project. From here, you can manage it like any other asset. Rename it for clarity, replace it if you update the content, and keep everything consistent across your site. That's it. You searched for Webflow with Google, opened your project to view the site, accessed the Assets panel, and uploaded a PDF. Follow these same steps for future documents to keep your workflow efficient and your asset library clean. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.